A spinal cord injury changes life suddenly. Here's what recovery actually involves, from hospital care through long-term rehabilitation. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves that carries signals between the brain and the body. An injury interrupts those signals. A level of injury matters. Injuries in the neck affect more of the body, while lower injuries mainly affect the legs and trunk. Injuries are also described as complete or incomplete. Incomplete means some signals still get through, with a wider range of possible recovery. Most traumatic injuries come from road crashes, falls, sports, or workplace accidents. Non-traumatic causes include tumors, infections, and inflammation. In the first hours, doctors focus on protecting breathing, blood pressure, and the cord itself. Many patients need early surgery to decompress and stabilize the spine. After the emergency phase, the team focuses on preventing complications, pressure injuries, blood clots, infections, and beginning gentle early rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is the longest phase. Physiotherapy, occupational therapy, and daily practice help rebuild strength, skills, and independence over weeks and months. Occupational therapists fit wheelchairs, cushions, and adaptive tools. The right equipment turns daily tasks, dressing, cooking, working, back into something manageable. Self-management protects the long term. Skin checks, bladder and bowel routines, weight shifts, and watching for warning signs become part of daily life. Mental health matters as much as physical care. Depression and anxiety are common early on, and talking therapies and peer support genuinely help. Recovery is not linear. The fastest neurological recovery is usually in the first 6 months, but functional gains can continue for years. People with spinal cord injury build full lives with family, work, sport, and community. The right team makes an enormous difference. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.